She's smelling my treadmill. I want her to get on it so I can turn it on. But I don't think she's gonna. I'm gonna try if she gets on it. She's like, bitch, I know you're up to something. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Hi, mommy. Huh? I'm recording it. I'm trying to get her on it. So stupid. Mommy, Kenny. You're so stupid, cat. Come on, kitty. Come here, mommy. You bitch. You want to get on it, boy? Do you want on it? Come on, kitty. Come on. Kitty. Come here. Stupid dog. Mommy can Nick throw her on it. Nick! Throw her on it. It's just so funny. Say, oh, come here. You stupid whore. You're not funny no more. Well, bye, guys. These animals are retarded.